Listen, if you're suffering from any form of erectile dysfunction and you want stronger erections, plus to last longer in bed, this might be the most important piece of information you hear today. In just a few minutes, you're about to discover a 3,000-year-old secret once lost to history until now that will not only treat the root cause of your erectile dysfunction, but will give you rock-hard erections complete with marathon staying power, no matter your age or physical shape. Men all over the world are shocked and can't believe how fast and easy it is to revive their limp sex drive and weak erections after watching this video, and are doing so without the help of ED drugs and, worst of all, surgery.
Plus, I'll show you this 60-second, 3,000-year-old protocol that revived my sex life and now gives my wife the most pleasurable, heart-stopping climaxes she was craving for a long time. So, if you're ready to end your suffering with ED, to revive your sex life, boost your endurance, and do it all without expensive creams, pills, patches, shots, or even surgery, then pay attention. Because if you watch this video and do what it says, in just a few minutes per day, you'll have a natural, robust, and beefy erection so hard and large, she might not even know what to do with it. There's hundreds of thousands of sexless relationships on the brink of destruction, all because of erectile dysfunction. Something I know, if you could control, you would. And now you can. And that's exactly why you're here on this website right now. To regain control of your sex life and win back the strong erections you once had. And I'm proud to announce, since discovering this simple trick, I've tinkered and tested things to make it absolutely foolproof. And to work even better, my ancient ED Fix system is the only 100% all-natural and drug-free solution to eliminate your erectile dysfunction by addressing the real root cause and not just masking the symptoms. In just minutes, you'll be able to experience the type of erection you remember having years ago, rock hard, full, sensitive, and begging to be used for any type of sex you enjoy. And you can, starting today. You'll see how simple and easy it is to have the most mind-blowing sex you've had in years just by following this powerful protocol. Inside the ancient ED Fix program, you'll discover the #1 worst food killing your erection power and ability to go multiple times per day. Hint, this ingredient is found in almost all your favorite foods. The 2 commands every man needs to know from his woman that can instantly get you hard. Plus, boost your testosterone levels in seconds by 33%. The 3 stimulating trigger points that, when softly pressed during sex, will send shockwaves of pleasure throughout her entire body. I wish I knew this before Lisa and my first night together. A gentle, great-tasting aphrodisiac you and your wife can enjoy 30 minutes before sex. To guarantee powerful, body-shaking orgasms. The single best thing you can do to make yourself appear more masculine and turn her on in just 5 minutes per day. The ancient and largely forgotten secret you can use tonight to give her the first super orgasm she's ever experienced. The #1 law of power every man must know if you want ultimate success in the bedroom. My favorite smoothie shake that skyrockets your libido levels by 89% and tastes absolutely delicious. A simple 5-second trick that eliminates performance anxiety you can use to get rock hard right before insertion time. The instant magnetic attraction switch that guarantees she stays loyal to you forever. How to increase your stamina in the bedroom and cure any sort of premature ejaculation in seconds. Using these 3 sexologist-suggested moves. Best part is, she won't even know what you're doing, and she'll love it every single time. The one all-natural supplement you can consume every day to help expand your penis and turn it into a pleasure-producing machine. Her emotional hot signals. There's 4 of them. That secretly tells you when she's ready to be ravaged in the bedroom. Get these right, and she'll never think about another man again. Plus, much, much more. Today you have the opportunity to take back what has been stolen from you and enjoy this brand new lease on life well into your 60s, 70s, and 80s. So what are you waiting for? Take action before it's too late. This is your last chance. Now is your time to reclaim your happiness and your masculinity. Now is the time to prove to her and yourself that you're the only man who can satisfy her every single time. Don't delay. Hit the button below now to get started right away.
I changed my life completely by using the system. Please do yourself a favor and try it out. I know you'll be amazed.
Please click the link in the description to see full review and discount of Ancient ED Fix program.